I posted a video of the issues I was having with my Toro Recycler 22-inch deck. Everybody said to just buy a replacement carb because they're so inexpensive, and that is the easiest way to fix one of these that's running a little rough. So I did buy a little kit with some extra parts here, some new springs and a cutoff. We'll get all of that installed here and see if this is the quickest way to get your Toro mower running perfect again. First things first, we did take our filter off here. This just has this little bolt right here. Undo that. I've got a new filter here. This came with a new one, so I'll just have that one on backup. But I think I'll probably install this too, just for a little extra. I do have a bunch of gas in there, so I'm going to see if I got a vice grips so I can pinch that so I don't lose a ton of gas. Let's keep taking this apart. There's 3 bolts in here, 5/16. At least I only see 3. I've messed with a lot of the springs on this thing too, just to try to get it to run a little bit better. I think that was a mistake. Sometimes desperate measures call for desperate actions. I don't know, something like that. But let me grab a pliers and disconnect the fuel line and see if we're going to leak any fuel. Resisting. All right, we're going to find out if we're going to be. All right, we're not. Oh, we're losing a little gas. We'll just try to keep that up. There we go. Okay, now we got a couple of bolts that are holding the carburetor on. I think there's some gaskets in the carburetor that are just shot. So that's why I've got the new carburetor. There are a ton of parts that come in this kit. My goal is just to get this running. And if I can get it running with just replacing the carburetor, then I'll go in and replace the rest of this. This bolt is 3/8 inch. There's 2 of them. I couldn't get to this one, so I had to get a little creative. So I got this 3/8 inch. I was able to get that on there to get this loose. Now I'm just trying to get it off, but it looks like I need to take this top piece off here. It is a 1/4 inch. See if it wants to come off. If you like watching these DIY repair videos, don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. It really helps out our channel a lot so we can keep making them. Okay. Oh yeah. See all that junk on there? I think that's from leaking. Hopefully this one doesn't leak. Or a new gasket. Yep, there's a new O-ring in here. It goes right there. But we gotta put this little pulley on here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Okay, we got that there. Might be easier to put the O-ring on top of this. There we go. Okay. Oh, they're full of gas. That's great. Just get it on there a little snug. Please, dear God, let this work. If this thing runs like a new mower, I'm going to be such a happy camper. Okay, that's snug. That side's snug. Now we need our 1/4 inch wrench. Make sure that's between there. Yeah, finger tight here. Okay, get that on there. Perfect. Let's connect this. There's new hose and stuff that I will put on. Here are the 2 that comes in the kit. Let's see if we can find those springs. Oh shoot, this might be a oh no. I think I needed to put the spring on. Now let's see if we can. There we go, that goes there. And then this gets put on right there. Okay. And there's a, oh, should get another spring in here. Maybe this one. Yep, that's this one. Goes right there just like that. Okay. Let's take a look at this. Look at that. That looks so much nicer. Look at that. Oh, that's where the bubble is. Oh, there's a pusher on this one I'll actually be able to use. I think. Huh. It looks a little different than the other one. Oh, yep, that comes off. There's a gasket already on that. So it must come with just a spare gasket. This goes on like this. Nice, there's a pumper right there. Cool. Not quite sure how that works, but let's put this back on here. See if it lines up. This. Got two of them on there. Okay. Sorry for the wind. I don't have my lapel mic. It's at my brother's. That one's good. That one's good. Let's put the old filter on there. Check our most recent vehicle project we're working on by clicking the playlist in the upper right. That goes right here, I'm guessing. That seems about right. Let's find out. There we go. Let's get some of these parts out of here. Make sure the garbage doesn't blow away. Detach our fuel stopper. I just want to see if this thing's going to run. Are you kidding me? Thanks for watching this week's episode of The Roy Garage. I know we're not doing what we traditionally do, wrenching on cars and trucks, but sometimes you got to take those skills out of the garage and into the yard work. I'm going to go do some mowing tonight, I guess.